डॉक्टर अमर पटनायक आपकी बात ही रिकॉर्ड पे जाएगी, प्लीज।
Particular amendment, I will just start with the fact that it brings out few words which are very important. One, where the court is satisfied that a prima facie case is made out, that is an important part. Second, the arbitration agreement or contract which is the basis of the award or making of the award, two aspects. And the third aspect was induced or effected by fraud or corruption. So I will talk about these three aspects. Now, we find that under section 34(2)(a) of the Act, which has to be read with section 36, it states that an award shall not be set aside merely on the ground of an erroneous application of the law or by reappreciation of evidence. So the question of reappreciation of evidence is not provided for in section 34. It is not an appeal provision. But how is it possible that a prima facie case can be made out without first providing for it in section 34? This is something which the Honorable Minister would be able to clarify. The second aspect that I would like to highlight is that appreciation or any issue of fraud is a mixed fact. It is a mixed fact of law as well as facts, and therefore it cannot be summarily decided unless it is proved. And that particular proving would require that they would have to take evidence from sources other than what was provided in the initial arbitral award. So I will really not know how this particular provision will be implemented unless the court is able to reopen the entire case, in which case, as was being said by Honorable Member Podarji, that this might delay the entire process, in which case the very purpose of bringing this 2015 Amendment Act would probably get defeated. The second point is that the issue of having the 8th schedule being completely omitted, I would like to kindly point out that this particular provision which was introduced in the last amendment has actually not even come into force. The Arbitral Commission has not yet been formed. Therefore, I really do not know how the arbitrators will be appointed in the absence of this particular provision, where there will be a vacuum now. I think Honorable Minister will address this particular issue. With these couple of observations, which I am sure Honorable Minister will address, I support the bill. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Amar Patnaik. Sri P. Wilson, Honorable P. Wilson, an absent.